Unit 9, Sound 3. Letter O with O. Key words. 關鍵詞字母 letter 聲音 sound 元音 vowel 音節 syllable 英文拼音 English phonics. This girl is called Odessa. She has an oboe. She is playing her oboe over the ocean. And here is our chant. Odessa plays her oboe over the ocean. Odessa plays her oboe over the ocean. Odessa plays her oboe over the ocean. Letter O can make the sound O. The letter O makes the sound O 14% of the time in English. Words with letter O has the sound O. Opal, O, P, O, U. Opal. And this is an opal. Obese, obese. This man is obese. It means very, very fat. Yo-yo, yo-o, yo-o. Yo-yo. This is a yo-yo. This man is shaking his head to say no. No. N-O, no. This is Shrek. He is an ogre. Ogre. O-G-E. Ogre. Words that start with O. Open. O-P-E-N. Open. Over. O-F-E. Over. Only. O-N-L-E. Only. Okay. O-K-A. Words that end with O. So. S-O. So. Go. G-O. Go. No. N-O. No. Sumo. S-U-M-O. Sumo. Taco. T-A-C-O. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye.